Wanted to go
to Nate's house.
You wanted to go to Nate's house? How far away is it?
20 miles, right?
20 miles?
Yeah.
20 miles would take about 20 minutes or more. I think it takes a little longer than that to get to Nate's house. What do you think?
And I'm going to buy a gumball machine on the way to Nate's house.
You're going to buy a gumball machine on the way there?
Like a tiny one.
Oh, okay. I see.
And I'm not going to share with you.
With me?
With Taylor.
Oh, why not?
Because she will pick a toy.
You want her to get a toy and then you'll get the gumballs and then you're not going to share?
Look at me. Show the camera at me. She doesn't want to give the gumball machine to me. Then I'm going to say I'm not going to share my toy with her. And plus, Nate's house is over 2,000 miles away.
2,000 miles.
Mom, can I go to Nate's house today?
We cannot.
Why?
It's a very long drive.
What would take short?
And you guys don't behave in the car.
Or we could take an airplane, which would be a fine idea.
Oh,
We could take an
it's a fine idea for who? Who's paying for it? Yeah. All right. Well, dear Cambria. How come you wanted to go to Nate's house?
And I wanted to meet him.
Oh, okay. Why?
And I never seen him.
You've never seen him?
Yeah.
Then how did you know who he is?
I don't know who he is. Hey. Look at your head.
Did you know you have something in your hair?
What do I have?
It's like a little leaf or something like that. I don't know what this is right here. What's that? I don't know. Let's look at Jasper. What do you think, Jasper?
And your hands
He thinks, oh yeah, it's super tasty.
My hands are super tasty to me too.
They are?
Uh-huh.
What do they taste like?
I finished all my food.
They taste like you finished all your food?
I finished all my food.
All right.
Can I
Well,
have a treat?
I'll ask Dad about that. What did you eat for your food?
I did not have a treat. I ate all my food.
She ate part of your donut that Dad got you.
No,
Oh.
I did not.
And we each got half of it. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. He said that there was something on the seat of the van. But I thought he meant the minivan. And I didn't see anything there, so I didn't know what he was talking about. So it sounds like it was the other van, and you guys found it and ate my donut. Oh, well.
I did not. Nobody did.
Nobody did?
Dad ate it.
Oh.
Dad said I have to pay him all my money.
Nobody ate it, huh? Well, nobody's eating a lot of things.
Can I have a treat?
That's a little rough.
Hey.
I don't think so. It sounds like you already had one.
Can I have a treat? Can you please get me a treat?
You do have a treat. You have a beautiful home with a roof over your head. And that's a treat, because not everybody in this world has that. All right.